If anything else could go wrong, there we go. So we've had a catastrophe. I think we already said it once in this. Oh no, you won't see that footage. We've had a catastrophe. We took lots of footage of putting a dust seal kit on the tailgate of the ute, reorganizing the drawers in the ute,
pool noodling underneath the van.
Pool noodling under the van, rock proofing under the van. Lots of little jobs, filling up the spare tire, pulling out the compressor, checking that, checking. Anyway, we did a lot of stuff on video for this week's video. And we've had a series of unfortunate events. So the GoPro kept dying, so we've had to get a new GoPro. The kids ran the Starlink cable over a whole bunch with their scooters and broke the cable. So we had to get a new Starlink cable, but we couldn't get a cable in time before we leave for the Cape. And what a new cable cost was pretty much almost the same cost as the new Gen 3 on sale. So we ended up getting a new Starlink. A few other things popped up. Anyway, last night I downloaded all the footage onto the laptop. We watched all the footage. It was great. I went to put the old GoPro away and formatted the SD card, only to discover we lost all the footage. So we've got nothing.
Oh no, we got something.
We've got this, and we've got a bit of a time lapse for you guys this week.
Something a little bit different. You don't see very often people setting up their gear and
so we're gonna show you a pack down and a setup on time lapse. Just a bit of music playing. I hope you enjoy it this week. That's all we got for you.
But next week we'll be able to show you what all the dust proofing efforts have been able to do. So we'll be making sure to.
Yep. So next week we're headed to the Cape. So first destination will be Cohen, which will be a fair bit of dirt getting there. And we'll give you a reveal. See if all the dust proofing that we did on camera but lost. I'm really dirty about it, eh? Anyway,
he still hasn't quite gotten over that.
I haven't gotten over it. So anyway, we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching and all that subscribe and stuff that everyone wants to do.
So enjoy the time lapses, but we're back onto regular content next week. And just a reminder out there, don't wipe your SD cards until you've finished with your footage.
Lesson learned. Lesson learned.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.